doing today? Nice to meet you again, guys, and thanks for joining my YouTube channel. We appreciate you, the Mommy and Son YouTube channel. We are here to always give you a delicious meal ideas for your family. Stop thinking about what to cook. Just always look on my page to check out on our delicious, yummy, very simple recipe. So today we are going to be doing potato beef yummy lunch. You can have it as lunch or as a dinner, whichever one you feels like. Even it can go for breakfast. So stop thinking, leave your worries for me to handle. All just you have to do, go to my YouTube channel every day, look out for what you want to eat and grab it. So today we are going to be making the potato meal. What we are going to be using, we are going to be using potatoes, tomatoes, green bell and yellow bell pepper, beef, and tomato sauce and spices. So first I'm going to be washing all my vegetables. I'm going to be washing them, and after that we'll have to start cutting and peeling them. Let's do this. Always make sure you wash your potatoes before peeling them. It's very, very important. So after peeling your tomatoes, you're going to be cutting it in a straight form. Okay, just watch how I cut it. Look at that. See, that's the cutting styles. So I'm going to be cutting all of them in the same way. Salt, nutmeg, or thyme, anyone, paprika for taste. Salt, paprika, thyme, Maggi. Yummy. Mmm. Mmm.